Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have a screen to replace on Samsung S6 Lite. These are fairly new tablets and they're quite expensive as well. So we will go through with the screen replacement. So there's the model, Samsung S6 Lite. So what we have in the package is there is no digitizer or glass replacement on it, so it's fairly straightforward. You can see this is the LCD, so and these are the connectors here. So I presume there is a strip here inside and a connector here for this strip, so they will be connecting, probably they'll be coming off from the screen and sticking here, the cables. So we will have to heat this up first, and as far as I can see, the screen would be coming off from the front. So we're gonna heat it up and we'll go through with the process. It should be a quick process. So now it should be hot enough to take off the screen. You can see here, this is the cable coming up, so we have to be careful. I might try to disconnect this first so I have more room to open the screen. We can take off the screen anyway, and then we can clear all the edges if whatever the glass is stuck there. Yes, we will definitely have to take this part off. First we will take this off, this chip here, and then we can clear the glass. Okay, so we are done with this screen, and let me come back once I have cleaned all this glass. Now that we have cleaned the whole frame from any bits of glass could have been, because we don't want any glass left, because when we're going to put the screen back on, it can crack on the edges of the new screen. So now what we're going to do is we are going to put this chip back in again here for the display, and we'll test the screen first. We need the double-sided tape. When you're putting this cable back in, there's two holes in there, and there is actually a hook on each side, so make sure they align together basically. So that's the right way to do it. So we're gonna test the screen first before we go and fix this screen fully. All the cables are connected, so we're gonna test it. The tablet is turning on. Samsung Tab S6 Lite. Excellent sound quality on these tabs. Of course, they're better than the A series. Cameras are working. Yeah, Wi-Fi is connected.
Trying to protect their beloved landmarks.
The screen is perfect.
My way,
So everything is working. So now we're gonna just now we will fix the screen. Okay, we're gonna put a bit of double-sided tape around and a bit of glue as well on each corner, just because it belongs to a child, so we just want to make sure it's strong enough. on Samsung Tab S6 Lite. Thank you very much for your time. Please like and subscribe, and correct me if I'm wrong anywhere, please. Thank you very much.